Aloha! Welcome to Hello Hawaii Eikaiwa. Today, let's go to Honolulu Coffee. For this video, I'll be talking only in English and there's going to be English captions. This is the Honolulu Coffee Experience Center. It's different from the other Honolulu coffee cafes. This is their flagship location and it's quite big. It's not too far from Waikiki, and I think it's worth making the trip. You can enter the cafe area from here. This is their outdoor seating area. Today, I'm meeting up with my friend here. The outdoor seating area is surrounded by trees. They call this an experience center because you can experience the farm to roast to cup coffee experience. What does that mean? I think it means you can learn all about coffee and feel like coffee plays a big role in our lives. One example of their experience is their tour. But unfortunately, they don't offer tours right now because of the pandemic. Let's go into the building. It seems like you can get acai bowls anywhere in Hawaii. I love this design. The store is 9,000 square feet. This is the map. Which area should I check out first? My friend isn't here yet, so let's go to the gift shop first. The big machine in front of me is the roaster. Unfortunately, they weren't roasting any beans while I was there. On the walls, you can see boards like these. You can learn all about coffee. For the coffee lover, this shop is a must. Did you know coffee was first brought to Hawaii around 1817? Out of all the islands, Big Island has the best climate for coffee growing. No explanation here, but this is soil from Waialua. This area has tools used when growing coffee. If the store is crowded, it might be awkward to be looking and reading the boards because the tables and seats are literally right next to you. This is the cupping lab and for employees only. It's 9 a.m. and there's a somewhat long line. Let's see what this farm to cup section is about. This is a fancy Chemex. This is where they do the Chemex demonstration of the proper brew methods. I got a pamphlet, but this is geared more for people who are participating in the roasting tour. but right now they're not doing any tours. I was told by the staff that they don't know when they'll do tours again. Everywhere I go, I feel like there are cute tote bags and stainless steel water bottles. This one is $32 and the design is cute. I'm not looking for a bottle with this type of lid though. The mugs at this shop are very cute. Not too big and not too small. They sell tea here. This is made of plastic, but cute. Another nice looking stainless steel bottle. I would recommend going to the gift shop if you're visiting. The price for the coffee isn't too bad either. These stainless steel mugs also look nice. How much are these mugs? I don't see any price. As you can see, they have many products. I feel like some mugs in the US are too big, but the ones here are just the right size. They even sell waterproof bags. Now that I've seen the store, let's go get some coffee. I'm not a big breakfast person, so I won't order anything too filling, but I love looking at food and seeing how pretty it looks. The presentation of the food here is excellent. What should I order? First time here, so I think I should order the drip coffee. But I feel like having a latte. Their cake looks delicious. I feel like the sweets in Hawaii aren't overly sweet. Maybe that's because there's a big Asian population. What I like to do is to ask the barista what the most popular item is. Now, my time to order. They have 3 drink size options. And now asking what's the most popular item. The barista tells me the almond croissant is popular. She also tells me that the banana bread and pumpkin bread are good. So it seems like everything here is good. I decided to get a banana bread and a latte. I love watching baristas make coffee. And I wish I could make lattes like this. So excited to see the latte art. Here it comes. My latte is ready. This is my latte with regular milk. We ended up ordering the same thing. The latte tasted great, and the banana bread was great as well. It was moist and not too sweet, just the right amount of sweetness. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my adventure today. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.